The banana got so heavy it snapped the whole tree. It's Sunday and it's still working. No breaks.
For tonight, look at that, guys, and dun, 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 dun.
There's no smell-o-vision, but this thing smells amazing. Oh, the famous Dino Gohan. This is made with pig's blood, yes. This is actually for the workers, lunch, but we're going to dip into it as well. That saves us from cooking. And this is what's happening today, the progress. The wall is coming up at the back. Ooh, just try and step over this. Okay, and the pillars are now in place. Last time this was still under construction. And the wall at the back on the side rather is also up. Not all the way, but getting there. Wow, this is progress. This is like 3 days after the last video. Everything's been filled up here. And this is where they mix the cement now. Yeah, so the roof line's going to be done later. The beams are going to get constructed across the top. He's having a helping hand. Or maybe not today. It's Sunday and it's still working. No breaks. Busy, busy. Oh, it's looking messy because of the cement. Yeah, once the foundations are done, the walls actually go quite quickly. Even the pillars went up fast. So there are going to be 3 rooms down here. I don't know exactly the configuration yet because we have to work around the pillars. Our water upstairs kept being cut off because there was a leak down here with the pipe, so they had to keep closing off the water because it was just running out. But now it's fixed, thankfully. Guys, back in the mall. Shakey's Pizza. Whoa, there's no smell-o-vision, but this thing smells amazing. It's bacon, it's a half-half.
Yes.
So one is like truffle.
Olive, black olive, and manager's choice.
Yeah, manager's choice. There, tongue twister on the other side.
Yep.
Yeah, we are so hungry. We've been shopping for our house building.
Yep.
Bon appetit.
For tonight, look at that, guys, and dun, 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 dun.
Fajita night.
Yeah, chicken with corn and fajita sauce. Yum, 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 and with avocado.
Avocado.
Yeah, avocado.
Now you're from the US.
And coolers.
Something different than Coca-Cola.
Yes, not Coca-Cola. But it's because it's too hot now. It's so nice to drink always. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
And rolling time. Ting, 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 ting,
I'm
ting.
still stacking time.
Nice.
Yes. So, we have a bit of a problem today. We don't have any water. And apparently it's out until tomorrow. Which we were kind of told yesterday that there was going to be no water. So I rushed out quickly to the hypermarket last night to fetch Prince Supermarket some buckets. And we filled those last minute last night. So hopefully that's gonna last us because yeah, it's 24 hours.
Yeah.
And
Downstairs we have also.
Yeah, and there's another one here. Excuse the mess.
Yes.
But yeah, we're sort of a little bit prepared, but hopefully it's enough. And it's very hot.
Yes.
So
to check the workers.
yeah, 13 days. So we'll show you the progress. But yeah, they can't work today, so it's on pause. Look at Shella's beautiful flowers here, especially this little rose. It's her little pet project.
have stevia too.
Yeah, we have basil. I think this is mint. This is also another rose, beautiful rose, which is blooming. Where's the stevia? Oh yeah, we're experimenting with stevia, which is actually used as a sweetener, artificial sweetener. It's extremely sweet when you taste the leaves. It's a surprisingly sweet, and it's used in health supplements actually. So maybe that's an opportunity for later for us to explore. But anyway, we're gonna go check out the construction. It's harassing. Look at this, guys. The banana got so heavy it snapped the whole tree. Goodness.
Because you are ducks.
So there's more gravel that arrived yesterday. And a lot more sand.
Yes, I think this is more like.
Because we need that for we need that for the roofing. And the beams that go around the roof.
Oh, my mother's cooking vegetables.
Oh, what's this? Oh, we're cooking outside.
Vegetable for the workers.
Oh, that's for the workers.
Wow, vegetables, healthy.
Big pot of vegetables. Sinigang. Oh, it's gonna be sinigang. Okay, that's nice.
Smoked fish.
Oh, the chef. Goodness, the guys are busy here, creating all the molding for the cement.
Another delivery of the
More bricks.
delivery.
And this is
it.
the progress. Yeah.
Yes, 13 days of construction done in the bottom. Yes. Shella.
Yeah. So this is the beam that we need to fill with the cement and the gravel still. But as you can see, goodness, I have to get through underneath all the low bamboo here. But as you can see all the way around, all the walls are up now. And the beams are going to get filled around the top edge. And then on top of that will come the floor layer, which is another part of the next phase.
Still a bit.
Yeah, and we've had to create a little bit of a roof because now we're getting some rains as well to add to the excitement of the build.
Yeah, because the concrete cannot not to be like hot. They need to put water.
So there's a considerable progress we've made. 13 days. In 13 days we've done all of this, which is amazing. All the pillars, different pillars, the flooring, the brick walls, and obviously now comes the next phase up. And we're going to have some partitions in here, which is going to be cement board.
Yeah, we already ordered the roofing. Yes.
Yeah.
For that one, the steel deck and a little bit of.
Yeah, yesterday we went to the suppliers to get our roofing that goes on top, right on top, which is like basically the roofing like that one. And in the cladding, which goes on the side walls. So we tried to look at cement for the top level, but there's a septic tank underneath here, so we can't go too deep with the foundation, which limits us with the weight that we're allowed to build on top here. So we decided to go rather with metal cladding, which is obviously much lighter. It's probably the same cost, if not slightly more maybe. We still need to analyze that. But we have no choice. We have to go the lighter route, lighter weight route. So we'll see how that pans out. It's the motorbike garage.
It's the continuation at the back.
5 o'clock in the afternoon, and we got saved by the rain today. I had to put some buckets out to fill with water because we still don't have water. It's pouring. It was pouring a lot more earlier. I don't know if this comes out on camera, but you can probably hear it. Yeah. And what's happening here is there's water pouring down from the roof, so everybody's filling their buckets down at the bottom. Same idea. Yeah, we don't know when the water is coming back, so we have to make do with rainwater.
They're still delivering the sun. Continue. Even it's raining. Look at them. Oh my goodness. Sun until that side. This side. Ayan. Heavy rain. Oh wow. Look at the one from the gutter. Oh, it doesn't shoot the gutter.
What do you mean? No, that's what I'm saying. It's dislocated. The pipe.
That's sad. Even raining. My goodness. Our pesto beef noodles. Simple. Look at that, guys. There's nothing in there. Just the minced beef and the noodles. Sit.
And the pesto.
And the pesto, yes. Thank you so much for cooking.
Now it's a
His turn
joint
tonight.
effort.
Yes, his turn ttonight to cook. See?
I like cooking. I don't mind.
Yum, yum, yum. Bon appetit.